Hello guys, welcome back guys. So right now I want to show you a little bit about setting up a ad campaign. I'm just going to show you a demo on how to set up your ads and things you need to take note. So right now we have ads manager and we have ad center. You can use any of both. So let me just open both for you to see. So we have ads manager and we have ad center. This is where you get to manage your ads, and ad center is where you get to see all your ads. You can create ads afresh from this. So this takes you to the ads manager where you get to add funds and all that. This takes you to the Meta Business Suite Ads Manager. But right now, this remains on Facebook where you get to create your ads straight away and you get to see all the ads you've created in the past, and the one you want to create, you can create a new one by clicking the advertise. Then we have the ads manager that shows you everything about your ads. So you can create a business portfolio for yourself. You can get started, and clicking on get started takes you to somewhere where you get to create your ads manager right now. But you don't need to create an ad manager. All the Facebook pages you are creating as an ad manager already. So all you have to do is to use the ad center. So I'll be using the ad center, but to create an ad manager is very simple. You can easily create it right now and just go on with the payments method, campaign setup, and yeah, I'm just going to go back. Then you can create a business portfolio. If you have a portfolio already, you can just click on create business portfolio and it brings you to Meta Business Suite where you see your Facebook page are all connected here. You have different Facebook page right here, and you can continue on Meta Business Suite for Facebook. So I'm going to just come here, and I've shown you about Meta Business Suite, that you can plan your content and you can do a whole lot of planning. Then this same Meta Business Suite can be used for ads. All you have to do is to come to the ads, and when you come to the ads, you'll be able to see the ads you've created in the past, and these are different ads from Meta Business Suite. You can choose your page from here. These are different pages you can choose from here. So this is Meta Business Suite, and you can see we have a whole lot right here. So you can create ads directly from here. You can check all your tools or your ad tools right here, and you see your ads manager, you see your ad itself, you see your insights about the ads you've created in the past. You can check insights, you see ads insights, the ones you've created in the past. You see your insights here, and you'll be able to overview your insights on Facebook. If it's Instagram you did the ad, you can see a whole lot of insights on the ads you've done, and here we have that right now. But coming back to this, I'm creating an ad for my page, and this is where you come, you use your ad center to create ads from your page. Your ads manager is an overall of the ads you've been creating. You know, you can create more than one business page on your Facebook, so all the ads you create on your Facebook page, your personal Facebook page, shows in the Meta Business Suite right here. If you are using the ads manager, this is a general manager for all your pages, but here it's particular to your page. So right now we're going to be using the ads center to do whatever I want to do. So right now I want to advertise, I want to create the ads. So setting up a campaign is as simple as I just click on advertise, and having to click on advertise, it brings you to how to set up your ads. There are things you need to set. So we have different ad type. We have the automated ads. This is majorly for beginners. If you are new to creating ads, this will be good for you. You can just open that and see how it goes, and you can create a new ad afresh. You can boost a post. These are different ads you can create, and you can create an A or B. You can create an A or B testing. So this is it, where you compare two ads and you have two sets of ads. This works like you create two posts to boost at the same time to see which one performs better. So A or B testing is as simple as that. You will call one A and call one B. I'll show you an example how to create something like that later in the course. But right now, so you want to create automated ads. When you click on automated ads, it will ask you a series of questions just to automate your ads. As a beginner, do you want people to come to your business location? If you have a business location, you do a yes. If you have a business location, let's say you are into real estate or something, you can add a business location or a no if it's a digital brand. So I'm just going to click on a no, and I'm going to next that right away. And having to next, it asks, do you have a website? If you have a website, you put a yes. If you don't, you put a no. And it comes here, do you want people to contact you? If you want them to reach out to you, if you want your customers, maybe you have something to say, you want them to reach out to you, you have a service to offer, you use yes, and you next that. And here you have, how do you want people to contact you? If it's WhatsApp, you're going to choose WhatsApp. We've connected WhatsApp to this Facebook earlier on, so you're going to use WhatsApp. Or if you want them to message you on Facebook directly, you're going to use Facebook. If you want them to call you, you're going to use call. You're going to click, you check on this, they call me, or you're going to check on this. If you want to share your contact information, you want them to share their contact information information, so you can reach out, you can just tick that. But if you want them to message you on Facebook, you can tick this as well, you can check that. But right now I want to use WhatsApp, so I'm going to check the WhatsApp. Then I'm going to next this. Then you say, where is your audience located? If they are located in the US, whatever country they are located, you can type it right here. So let's say in the USA, you can type it right here and choose United States, but I'm not doing that, so I'm choosing Nigeria. So my location is Nigeria, and you can do a lot depending on where your audience are located. You can input it right here. You can input more than one location, and then I can nest this. Then having to nest this, these ads can be automated. What are some topics your audience might be interested in? As you can see, these are ad interest. This is talking about ad interest, so you can just close this. Computer science here, you can close some of these, and we have some of these. Then you can see entrepreneurship, and you can choose real estate. Of course, you can choose business, and you can choose web design, small business, graphic design, social media, online advertisements, and marketing, web development, digital marketing, graphic, and email marketing. So you can choose all that. These are the topics your audience might be interested in, depending on what you do. If you're into fashion, you choose things related to fashion. You can search for anything. Maybe you want fashion, you can search for fashion right here. If you want anything, real estate, cars, anything you want, you can just type it here and you choose. So these are the topics my audience are interested in. Automated ads are good for beginners, like I said earlier on. So I can just nest this right now after I've chosen the interests for my audience, and it's going to find your audience for you. It's going to find the right audience for you, and here you have an automatic ad. This way you'll be able to create an automatic ad, and will add fonts. You can add fonts. I'll show you how to add fonts later. I'm just showing you how to create an automatic ad. You can design a visual. You can use Canva to design your visual. All you have to do is come to Canva, and you see a whole lot of visual you can use on Canva to create your ads, because this is where you add an image. I have some images on my page already, so that's why it's giving me all these. I can choose not to use them if I don't want to. You can check edit option, and you can change the images to whatever you create. You can change images by using from your page. You can upload if you want to, so you can just come to image and you see upload right here. You can upload a new set of image if you want to. Let's say this, you can open this and upload that and use that instead of this. So you can just upload and use any set of image. And I told you, you can design different kind of, you can design whatever you want to use. So I'm going to select this, and I have this right now. I have this Black Tech Academy description for the ads. It depends on what you want to create. You can create description for the ads, and this edit option, I can just use my logo. I can use the company's logo. So all I have to do is come to page. I have the company's logo on the page already, so let me just look for it right away, and I'm not seeing it right now. All I have to do is just to upload. Then since I have it, I'm just going to come to my favorites, and I'm going to upload my image. I'm going to come upload Black Tech Academy image. So I have Black Tech Academy somewhere here. Yeah, this is it. So I'm just going to upload this. I'm going to upload this logo, and I'm going to use this as the image for the ad. So you can create visuals. You can create ad visuals. So let's say Facebook ads. Just type Facebook ads on Canva. You can edit different templates. I've shown you how to use Canva, so you can edit different templates from here. And once you click on Facebook ads, you have a whole lot of that. And these are ads. These are what you could replicate. You could edit some of these for yourself and use it for your ads. So you could see there are a whole lot of templates right here. So you can use this, and you can just type square to use Facebook square. You can just type something like a Facebook square to use a square ads if you don't want a landscape kind of ads like that because of mobile phone user. So you can just choose Facebook square, and you have a whole lot of templates you could edit. It depends on what you want to do. So you can choose any of these templates. That's how to create an ad visual. Then coming back here, I'm going to choose this. Then I have this. So this is what my ads would look like. This is what it would look like. As you can see, this is an headline. You create an headline. Your headline is this. As you can see it right now, this is your headline right here, Black Tech Academy, and the ad description will be right here. The ad description comes in. This is, we offer a comprehensive range of courses. You remember the copy we did earlier on. We remember the buyer persona we did. You can open that out. We have a marketing message. You can use that marketing message, and you can refine with your generative AI. Anyhow you want to do it, you can get things done that way. So coming back here, you see my marketing message, unlock your potential in tech. So I can just copy my marketing message right here. I'll copy my marketing message and I'll come use it right here. So I can just control A to remove all these. So I can just remove all these and yeah, and paste the new marketing message. I'm going to paste it right here. And here I have the new marketing message which says unlock your potential in tech with hands-on courses designed for the Nigerian market. Learn from an experienced instructor who understands your challenges and is dedicated to helping you achieve your career goals. Whether you're looking to start a new career or upskill, our courses provide the practical knowledge and support you need to succeed. So here we have a new ad copy and here we have it right here, and yeah, you can see your headline, and all I have to do is to put a full stop at the very end, and yeah, I have a full stop. Then you can preview your ads right here. As you can see it right here, all you have to do is to save changes and we have a good ad. So you can be messaged on WhatsApp based on what we've set so far. When you create these ads, it looks for audience automatically. You don't need to do all that. So I'm going to save these ads, these automated ads, and that way we'll be able to create an automated ads. And when you check your audience, this is an advantage audience created. This is meant to be automated. Then you publish. You can choose where to place your ads. You can choose if you want to place it. Your budget, we need to talk about budget as well. You can create budget for your ads as well. So it depends on what you are budgeting, depending on what you want to spend. So this would say in a day you can spend at as low as 1.6 in a day and you save the budget, and this is estimated to reach 1.7k to 4.9k people. So you can just make it 1.6, you can make it bigger. So this is reach 2.5k to 7.4k in a day, and you can save budgets depending on. And your duration, you can leave duration as continuous. If you want to make it a continuous ad, you just leave it as continuous till your money finish. And yeah, so you can leave that and set ad category. You don't need to do this. This is for people into politics, and this could be for housing. As you can see, this could be for employment, but we are not doing any of that, so I'll not be using the ad category. And this is an advantage audience. You leave that like that if you are creating an automated ad. Then right now, the placement, you choose your placement. If it's Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, but you can just remove the Instagram and Messenger, just make it Facebook only. And right now you can publish your ads right away or save that. So this way you click on publish, then your ads goes live. It goes live straight up, and you're expected to get to 3 to 9 replies depending on what you want to sell. I hope to see you in the next lesson where I get to talk more about creating ads. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.